We're back at Santa's Village, but this time we brought reinforcements. Today, Dad's joining in on the fun, which means more laughs, more rides, and maybe even more ice cream stops. From splash zones to roller coasters, we're making memories in Muskoka's magical Christmas wonderland in the middle of summer. Let's see what kind of adventures and maybe surprises are waiting for us today. We ended up coming on Sunday of the civic long weekend, so we knew it was going to get busy. I've heard if you go on a Monday of a long weekend, it's not nearly as busy. So we got there right at 10 a.m. when they open. As you can see, it's not too bad. So we did go left when we came in, again, just past Mrs. Claus's shop there, and just to kind of try to avoid the crowd. One thing I forgot to mention last time, you can see here, they actually do have a little mini putt course. So if you feel like playing a little game of mini putt with your kids, that is available as well. Are we going on the loose moose? I'm doing a video. Are we going on the loose moose together?
Going on the tractor, what about the loose moose?
She changed her mind. She doesn't want to go on it, so I'm not going to make her. Maddie just wasn't feeling a lot of the rides today, so we didn't force her. She didn't want to go on the flying fish thing there. And I wanted to show you here, there are lots of nice big umbrellas. There's tons of shaded area if you want to sit in the shade and have snacks. We made our way right over to the tractor. As you can see, there was nobody in line, so we actually ended up doing this ride a couple times. And for some reason, normally they let... I've been there before where there's been 5 of us because the boys are so small, go on the tractor, but the gentleman actually made us kind of separate. So Dawson went with Maddie because Maddie has her favorite boy right now. So little Bo and I went on the tractor first together. He loves it. It was kind of nice because it gave the boys an opportunity to actually drive themselves. Usually Maddie is the one that is taking the wheel. So it was nice. And then after, you can see here's little Dawson. It's so cute. Look at his little wave. Is that not the most cutest thing ever? He's like, hi, Mom. So cute. So after we ended up switching, Maddie wanted to stick with Dawson. So then I went on with Maddie and Dawson, and we let Bo and Daddy go on it together. We'll wait for the other two. Good job, Matt.
Look at that.
The kids just love this place, and the nice thing is the boys are actually free. 36 inches and under is completely free. So we do have a season's pass for Madison, our daughter, who is 3.5 and just over 36 inches, but the boys get to come free every time, so it's nice. And look at that little monkey, oh my goodness. Where are you going, Dawson? So I had mentioned in my last video, I thought that maybe they were taking this out or something because I had not seen it running, but it was running the day that we went. And this spray and play area, still have not yet done it, but I wanted to kind of go in and take a peek because I have not been in there. So just showing you some little footage of it. It looks like fun. The boys and I will definitely make our way there one day. It's been so hot here. Next up is Candy Lane Express. It's kind of funny. Maddie gravitated towards all of the rides and the stuff that we did when it was just me taking them on my own. I don't know if she just got familiar with them and wanted to. She seemed like she was kind of scared to go on other things. I wanted to actually go on the new roller coaster. As you can see, it's here. It kind of wraps around and through the park. But Maddie, I believe you have to be 48 inches and over. And Maddie is not that tall, nor would she go on it. It looks like it is kind of a little fast, and I just don't think she's quite there yet. Somehow I was on Bo duty today, and he was a little bit of a handful. He seemed to want to be on his own, not sit with mom, and yeah, Mr. Independent. We went in to see Santa Claus again, but for some reason, Mrs. Claus seemed like maybe she was having a bad day. And even Santa Claus, he just kind of seemed kind of short, and it wasn't busy, so I'm not really sure. But anyways, we got in there.
See, Maddie, you suicide bowl?
You want to sit there, Maddie?
You know, it's slippery. The boys are going to fall. Okay, let's go have a... Want to go on the stroller and have a snack?
No.
Right when we were just about to head out, Maddie decided that she wanted to go on the Loose Moose, I think, or Moose on the Loose. I don't know why I call it Loose Moose. Moose on the Loose, sorry. Dad giving the boys some snacks. They're definitely getting tired, almost nap time. Same with Maddie. She was pretty sucky, but we ended up going on Moose on the Loose twice.
I want that. Right, so hold on to my eye. Let's go.
And just like that, another magical day at Santa's Village comes to an end. Until next time, Santa's Village will be back.